everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie. Today we are going to have so much fun learning about sea animals. Animals that you can find in the sea. Do you know how to spell sea animals? I will teach you how to spell sea animals right now. Sea animals. Sea animals. S-E-A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Sea animals. Great job, kids! So the first sea animal we're going to learn about is the shark. You can find many sharks in the ocean. Shark. Let's spell the word shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Sharks can be the color gray and white. Shark. Wow, that is so awesome! Sharks. Amazing job, kids, learning about sharks. Our second sea animal is the fish. 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 Fishes can be so many different colors, like yellow, blue, and orange. Fish. Do you know how to spell the word fish? Well, that's okay because I will teach you how to spell the word fish right now. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish. There are millions of fishes all around the world. Fish. The next sea animal that we're going to learn about is the jellyfish. Jellyfishes look super cool. Jellyfish. Let's spell the word jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Crab. Crab. Crabs can be found in the sea. Crabs are usually the color red. Crab. Crab. Let's spell the word crab together. C-R-A-B. Crabs have claws. Wow, that is so cool. Crab. Wow, kids, look at this huge whale. Whales are humongous. There are many different types of whales, and they could be many different colors. Do you know what sound whales make? Yes, whales make the sound. That is so cool. Whale. Let's spell the word whale together. Whale. Whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Great job, kids, learning about the whale. Our next sea animal is the stingray. The stingray. Stingrays look very awesome. Yup, stingray. Stingray. S-T-I-N-G-R-A-Y. Stingray. Okay, kids, so the next sea animal we are going to learn about is the eel. Eel. Eels can be found in the sea and are long and skinny. Eel. Do you know how to spell the word eel? Let's spell the word eel together. E-E-L. Eel. Whoa! Look at these dolphins. Dolphins. Dolphin. Do you know what sound the dolphin makes? Yes, the dolphin makes the sound. That is such a cool sound the dolphin makes. Dolphin. Dolphins are super cool. They can be the color gray. Dolphins. Dolphin. Let's spell the word dolphin together. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Our last sea animal we're going to learn about is the seal. Seal. Seals are also sea animals. Seal. Do you know how to spell the word seal? Yes. Seal. S-E-A-L. Seal. Seals make the sound. Okay, kids, we just learned about so many different sea animals. They are super awesome. That is the end of the video. Make sure to click subscribe, like, and comment on this video your favorite sea animal. Thanks for watching. Bye. Whale.